What problems on decimals? What problem on decimals, multiplying and dividing decimals? Oh yeah, we're done. Teacher Jasmine is messaging. Okay, who wants to try?
Me, teacher. I'll go first.
Okay.
Mandy buys 5 packs of organic milk from the neighborhood store. Each pack is priced 3.96. How much does Mandy spend in all on his purchase?
Yes. Mandy buys 5 packs of organic milk from the neighborhood store. Each pack is priced $3.96. So how much does Mandy spend in all on his purchase? So you need to
3.96 times 5.
Very good. Can you show?
Okay. Huh. Equals to uh 19.8. Teacher?
19.8. Where you should put the 5?
On the 6.
And then where you are putting your 5? The answer is correct.
Okay. Teacher?
Yes.
Do I clear it?
Okay, it's okay, no problem. If you cannot put the 5 under the 6, it looks like wrong, correct or not? So you just put the way the working in a horizontal way can, just 3.96 multiply 5 is equals to 19.8, okay? Just write like that, can?
Okay. 3.96 times 5 equals 19.8. Done, teacher.
Okay, so 19.8 is correct. So you need to multiply. Okay, done. Very good. Question number 2. Herman.
There are 11 packs of rib-eye steaks on display at a supermarket. How many pounds do the rib-eye steaks weigh altogether if each pack weighs 2.5 pounds?
Okay, so what we need to do? What you need to do?
Multiply.
You must do.
Multiply. You show the working there, can, Herman? Just show like
Teacher?
how. Yes, Dania.
Isn't it supposed to be divide?
There are 11 packs of rib eye sticks on display at supermarket. How many pounds do the rib eye sticks weigh altogether if one pack is 2.5? So how about for the total?
Because it because
need
it's saying
to-
all together the pounds. So well, if we do multiplication,
Altogether, if each pack weighed 2.5 pounds. Understand?
okay.
Each pound,
Wait,
each pack. That means one pack is 2.5 pounds. So how about for the 11? Herman, you proceed. How about for the 11 packs?
where are teacher? Oh, okay. Teacher,
Herman, just show in a horizontal way, Herman.
remember operations with decimals?
Again, Daniel.
Remember operations with decimals, the homework gave us yesterday?
Okay.
It was the almost like same thing, but it's the bag of pinto beans.
Again, I don't understand your question. About homework, you can ask later, can? We continue with the lesson first, can, Daniel?
This is not about the homework.
Hmm.
Because for 22, I use dividing to find the pounds.
For 22, which one?
Question 22 for operations with decimals.
That's why I'm telling you, you are talking about yesterday's work, right? Correct. Correct or not? You can ask me during the consultation or else later on when you're free, you can text me. Now, can we proceed with the lesson, Daniel? You are asking
Okay.
about the yesterday's worksheets, right? I understand. You are talking about the operation of with decimals, correct? So 11 times 2.5 is equals to, very good, 27.5. Okay, problem number 3. Can we move your answer ready, Herman? Number 3. Yangi, you want to try?
No, teacher, I don't want to try.
Huh?
I want to try.
Yes, can also. Read the question.
James joins Club 1, which charges a monthly membership of 19.99. How much will James spend in all if he continues his membership for 6 months? 19.99 times 6.
6, because monthly membership is 19 ringgit, $19.99. So if he continues membership for 6 months, so you need to multiply with 6.
Yes.
What is your answer?
Here. It will be 119.54.
Very good. That means $119.94. 54. Why 54? Check and see. No. I heard you say 94. No. Hello. 119.94.
94?
Okay, so done. First teacher.
Yeah, it's 94.
Yes, correct. So
yeah,
$119.94. Okay.
Okay. Wait, let me just undo it.
Hmm. Faster, I have one more slide about average.
And now I continue.
Okay, so question number 4. Fiona,
Yes, teacher.
sorry, I have to move this one. It's disturbing me. Where I don't know where to move. Okay, I move here already. Okay, Fiona, proceed with the problem number 4, can?
Ethan and
Ethan,
Ethan and four of his friends take a
drive. If you don't know, just proceed with drive.
drive to
Billback State Park.
Big State Park in Key Biscayne.
Key Biscayne, FL. It's a name place. It's okay. They take turns at the wheel.
They take turn at the wheel. Determine the total time take to reach.
Their destination if each one drives for 32.5 minutes. Okay, so what you need to do, that means Ethan and 4 of his friends are traveling, right? So total, how many of them? Ethan and another 4 of his friends. So how many of them total?
Wait. And four of his friends.
Ethan and 4 of his friends mean how many of them in the car?
Teacher, I think 32.5 times 5.
Very good. Correct lah. You show there, can multiply it. 32.5 times 5. Because total in the car 5. Ethan and 4 of his friends. So total 5 person. If one person drive for 32.5 minutes, so you can multiply. Show there. Can you know? Do you know how to show on the screen? Try and see. Fiona, you don't know how to show in the screen means I can ask
How?
how. Daniel, can you please write on the screen? You just tell to Daniel.
Okay.
Daniel, maybe you can explain to her. She can write.
Are you using like the Zoom or the Zoom Google? Hello?
It's okay lah, Daniel. You write for her. Fiona, just tell him the answer. 32.5 multiply 5 is equals to
162.5.
very good. Okay, Daniel, just show the working there. 32.5 multiply 5
equals to what?
162.5. Okay, very good. Okay, understand the rest? Question number 5, Josephine.
Jerry works as a library assistant in Orpington Library. She earns
$9.75.
$9.75 per hour. How much will she get paid if she puts in 40 hours of work in a week?
That means she earned $9.75 for 1 hour, right? So how much she will get if she work for 40 hours? You need to times. Okay. Daniel just show because it's okay. I think I can show here lah. Can. 9.75 multiply 40.
Fine.
What is your answer?
40.
What is your answer?
390.
$390. Understand? The rest can understand or not? Okay, very good.
Teacher.
Yes, Daniel. Yes, Daniel.
No, I just said yes, teacher.
Oh, okay. Okay, Jose, number 6.
Andrew worked to earn $18. Christopher worked for $10 hour. If he earned $6 per hour, how many hours did Andrew work?
What we need to do?
Divide.
Yes, lah. What divide what?
18 divided 6.
Very good. $18. You should divide with $6. Then only you will get how many hours Andrew work?
3.
3 hours. Okay, class, can you understand the question or not? They said Andrew worked to earn $18. Christopher worked for $10 hours, means per hour, sorry, $10. If he earns $6 per hour, how many hours does Andrew work? So just ignore the Christopher. Christopher is the additional they are giving. It's for confusing you, you know. So don't get confused if they give Christopher. So ignore the Christopher. So if he earns $6 per hour means you need to divide with $18 with 6 divided by 6. So you will know how many hours Andrew works. So he works for 3 hours. Understand or not? Josephine, Fiona, Daniel, Sheng
Yes,
En, Sheng
teacher.
Wei, Jose, Louis, So, Chayangi, Herman, Jingze, Wei Feng, Angiwan, all can understand or not? Can. Okay, so problem number 7. Louis saw.
So spend 56 ringgit on
$56.
$56 on Skittles. Misla buys 7 Skittles. Each Skittles cost 7 ringgit. How many Skittles did Sam buy? Let me see.
Times?
7 times 7.
7 times? Wrong.
7.
Wrong.
No. The 7 ringgit, $7 times 7.
Wrong.
56 times 7. Divide 7.
Very good. 56 divide 7. Okay. They said Sian spends $56, right? Melissa buys 7 Skittles. So Melissa is a tricky statement there. So you don't, so you just ignore the Melissa. So if each Skittles costs $7 means how many he can buy? So means he spent 56. Yes. So he can buy 8. So what you can show here is $56 divide $7. So you will get 8 Skittles. Understand or not, Louisa?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay. Sheng En?
Kevin has $18.
Skittles cost?
Skittles cost $3 a ticket cost $3. How many stickers can Kevin buy? Divide.
Divide what? Divide what?
80 divide 3.
$18 divide 3. Okay, very good. So that means the ticket cost each $3 is the additional statement. So it's a tricky statement. So you just ignore the statement. So how many Skittles Kevin can buy is $18. He can divide with $3. So he could buy 6 Skittles. Understand or not? The rest all can understand or not? Chia can understand or not? Chia?
Yes, teacher.
Wei Feng can understand or not? Okay, so question number 9. Jingze, want to try? Just try, Jingze. Read the question. Jingze. Jingze. Can you hear me or not, class? Or you all cannot hear me?
Teacher can hear you loud and clear.
Oh, okay. Jingze, okay, maybe Ang Yiwen, try question number 9. This one, you type out the answer in chat box, can? Willie spends $20 on candies. Fred buys 7 candies. Each candy costs $4. How many candies did Willie buy? So the Fred is a tricky statement here. So you just ignore that. How many candies did Willie buy? And even can type out your answer. Okay, very good. $20 divide $4. So you will get 5 candies. Okay, very good, Uneven. The last one, number 10, Sheng Wei.
Karen spent $50
Catherine.
on Catherine spent $50 on peanuts.
Peanuts.
Helen buys 6 peanuts each per nut cost $5. How many
peanuts did Catherine
buy?
Okay, so how to do? Catherine,
50 divide 5.
50 divide 5. Okay, very good. $50 you can divide with $5 because they said Catherine, she spent $50 on peanuts. Each peanut $5 cost me. So how many peanuts she can draw? What is your answer?
10.
10 peanuts. Okay, very good. 10 peanuts. Okay, good. So please remind me if you have less than 1 minute. Okay. Forward problem questions, multiplying and dividing decimals. I just picked few questions for the exercises. I mean for the discussion now. So we still have a lot of worksheets. So you can try to do the worksheet that teacher have uploaded in Edmodo. So we just continue with one more slide, which is lesson 3.1. Average, knowing the average. You should know what does mean by average. Can see my screen? Can you all see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so is a topic average. Today we just learned the understanding average, and then the word problem of average. Maybe if we have time, we just continue the word problem of average. Can or not, class? Okay. What is the main rules for the average. How to find the average? We already learned this topic. We are just revising the topic for your final term. So who can tell to teacher how to find the average of the numbers in a group or wherever it is? How to find the average? Any ideas, class? Class, any ideas? Who can tell to teacher how to find the average? Don't tell me all of you forgot how to do
Add
the
all
average.
the
Add
all the numbers first. Then count how many groups.
Okay.
Then divide
And then
the number of the group with the
total, divide the number of groups,
total.
and then you will get the average.
Ah.
Yes, very good. The first thing, you need to add up all the numbers. You have to add no matter 2-digit, 3-digit or 4-digit numbers. You have to add up all the numbers given. We call it as a sum. Sum means total. Don't get confused if let's say in the question they have mentioned sum. Sum means total, class. Okay, don't get confused. Understand or not? Sum means total. So you have to count. Let's say how many numbers are given. You have added up how many numbers, and then you have to group it together. Let's say 7 numbers or 8 numbers or 9 numbers. Okay, and then you have to divide the sum. The total sum, the total you have counted, the added up just now, you have to divide by the number of group you have count just now. So once you divide, you will get the answer, right? So the average, the answer, we call it as average. For example, here, group of numbers. How many group? 8, 10, 15, 16, 39, 42, 43, 69, and 70. I know it looks easier for a few of you, but we have to recall back because you are going to sit for the exam. You have to answer the average involving in the word problem question. So careful, 8, you have to add up with 10 plus 5. You need to add up all the numbers here is the first rule. The second one, how many numbers in here? The group of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Namala, I can show you in the next slide. First, we add up first. 8 plus 15 plus 16, sorry, 8 plus 10 plus 15 plus 16 plus 39 plus 42 plus 43 plus 69 plus 70 is equals to 312. Correct? So we call it as a sum. Add up all the numbers in the group. So 312. Okay. And then the answer, we call it as sum, right? So sum is equals to 312. Don't get confused. Teacher say total is equals to sum. Sum means total. Okay, so how to find how many groups are here? Let's say 8 up to 70 there. How many numbers in the group, class? How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 9 numbers in the group. Am I right? At least respond something. You all can understand or not?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please respond. If not, I don't know whether my line is problem or you all don't want to reply, means I don't know whether you all can understand me or what. Okay, so that means we have 9 numbers in the group, correct? Okay. How to divide the sum? By the number of numbers added together just now. So the sum, we got 312, right? So you need to divide the number of group. 9 numbers in the group, right? Just now we have counted, correct or not? So 312.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, 312, if you divide it with 9, you will get 34.6666666 is never ending one, correct? So to make it easier, as I said earlier, if for the decimal number, you only have to take 2 decimal places. So 66666. If you're rounding off to 2 decimal places means you should get 67. Correct? Understand or not, class?
Yes, teacher.
Class, understand? Okay, so
Yes, teacher.
the answer is the average 34.67. Understand? Okay, so it's the same. If you try to add up the 36.7, the number of in the groups just now were 9, right? So if you plus together 34.67, 34.67 for 9 times, you will get the previous sum or previous total that we added up just now. Understand or not? But this one is nothing lah. This one is I'm just showing how you get back the answer. But the main concept you need to bear in your mind is average, how to find the average of the numbers. You have to add it up, you find the sum, and then you count how many numbers in the group, and then the sum divided by the numbers of group, and then you will get the answers. We call it as average. If the answers are in decimal numbers, it more than 4 to 5 decimal numbers mean just take 2 decimal places and make sure you rounding off the decimal place. Understand or not, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, understand. Okay. Okay, so we just proceed. I just prepared 2 slides only, but I still have 1 more slide. Why don't we just proceed with the word problem of average can? Shall we
Teacher.
proceed? Okay, wait. Okay, never mind. We still have more than one.